To make the best botanical mouthwash to treat the bad breath problem, all you need is 1 part of the bottled water and 1 part of this herbal extract. So just mix together and use it every day, 2 times a day. It will help you treat the bad breath problems. And in this video, I will explain what is this herbal extract, and it's very easy, can be made at home. Bad breath is also called halitosis. It's caused by the bacteria grow, especially on the back of the tongue, and in the anaerobic environment, it will produce called a VSC, volatile sulfur compounds. So those bring the bad smell that cause the problems. The root of solving this problem is to treat these bacteria. Thyme is a herb well known for its very strong antibacterial, antibiotics, antiviral properties. Even during the COVID, research found that the thyme essential oil has ability to kill its virus. It's very strong antimicrobial properties. In a recently published clinical research, they had 60 gingivitis patients. Different treatment methods, thyme is the one comparing with other, including the medicines. They show the thyme extract has very beneficial effects to help reduce the dental problems. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Thyme Hydrosol and essential oil by doing the steam distillation with ADI. So for thyme, I'll use the leaf or the stem. This is the best part from the thyme. They contain the most phytochemicals like the thymol. I have a book actually talk about different herbs. There are the different parts we should use for their best benefits. It's on sale now. Go take a look. And there's a free sample book also. You can download and read it before you make an order. Add about 2.5 liters the water, and then this is a herb bucket. I'm going to do the oil separation. This little glassware. This glassware is called essential oil and hydrosol receiver and a separator. So what it works is when the oil and hydrosol go into this main tube, oil, because most of the oil is lighter, so they will flow on top and keep in the main tube, and the hydrosol will come on from here. And also, so for collecting the hydrosol, so we're gonna need a little the tubing, and also need a little clamp at the end to put on the outlet. So you can find all these the parts, the oil separator, the tubing, clamp on our website. When the ADI become available, and just hook on that. Pretty simple. Just connect with the outlet And just leave tubing inside the separator. Besides, Thyme Hydrosol can be used as a mouthwash, and it can also be used for the skincare, especially for the acne treatment. Many research prove that the thyme essential oil has benefits to kill the bacteria causing the acne. So this brings use of this Thyme Hydrosol for the skin cleaning and treating the acne. So you can either use it as a facial spray or soak a blank facial mask into the hydrosol and put on the face. And this will be also very good to clean the skin and reduce acne problems. Thank you for watching. If you feel the video is helpful, please like it, share, subscribe to the channel, and become a member. And we have member videos periodically coming out, and the member has a priority, has questions being answered, and support us. This is Dr. Liu. See you next time.